Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh students? My Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. So, students, today we are going to learn about new topic in this part after mid semester. It is about length, yeah. Actually, length is not a new topic for you, I guess, because in the first grade or second grade you already learned about it. So it's not a literally new topic for you. So students, uh, as I told you, our topic today is told about length. Yeah. So in this chapter, you will be learn to recognize the relationship between meter and centimeters, and then choose appropriate units of measure, and then measure length in meter and centimeter, and also convert length between meters and centimeters, and also about draw and measure lines, and then also about simple addition connection of length, and then the last is kilometers. But today I guess we just learn about recognize the relationship between meters and centimeters, and also maybe choose appropriate units of measure. Okay, students, let's start it, the topic for today. Nah, the first is meters and centimeters. You will be know what is the relationship between meters and centimeters. What happen if we talk about meters, and what happen if we talk about centimeters. The first is, you can see here, we have two ribbon, right? We have two ribbons. The first is green ribbons, and the second is red ribbons. So according to this picture, you might to see which ribbons is longer. It say which ribbon is longer. Do you remember longer? So longer means panjang. Okay, good job. Panjang. So according to this question, you can see which picture is longer, which ribbons is longer. As well, we can say the length of this both of ribbon is same, yeah, it is same, because from this to this, they have the same length. They have the same length, but actually they have a different rating to represent the length of the ribbon. For example, the green ribbon say it is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. And the second ribbon or the red ribbon say the length of the red ribbon it is 1 meter. You can see the differences. One say centimeter and one say meter. One say 100 centimeter and the other one say 1 meter. But actually, the length of this both ribbon is same. It is same. So you can say the green ribbon and the red ribbon are of the same length. So it means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Attention to the units, yeah, it is we call units, meter, centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, we are going to see another example, students, here. It say the length of the car is 4 meters. So the length of the cars is 4 meters. What is the length in centimeters? What is the length in centimeters? So you can say, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. And then, so you can say 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter, also 400 centimeter. So the length is 400 centimeter. The length is 400 centimeters. So you can see which one length. It is meter or centimeter. Yeah, you can say is meter is longer than centimeter. Is longer than centimeter ya. Okay. Why it's become 1 meter is 4 meter is equal 400 centimeter. You just can changing the number without zero, yeah. For example, if I say 1 meter, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And then if I say 2 meters, you will be changing also the value of 1 becomes 200 centimeter, like that. If I said 3 meters, you can say 300 centimeter. Sorry, this is centimeter, yeah. Centimeter. How if I say, for example, how if I say 4,000 centimeter? If I say 4,000 centimeter, how much meters it is? Berapa meter? Now, for do this, you can see, to finding 100 centimeter, it is equal 1 meter because I delayed it the zero. This is also 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter because I delayed it to 0. And 300 centimeter is equal to 3 meter because I deleted to 0. So it's same if I want to do this one. I have 40,000. Oh, 40,000. It is too much, yeah. Just 4,000. I have 4,000 because the first I delayed it for the first is I delayed it to 0. So for this part, I also delayed it to 0. To 0. So 4,000 centimeters is equal to 40 meters. Like that. If you want to changing centimeter to meter, you have to uh, remove 2 0. You have to remove 2 0. And if you want to changing meter to centimeter, you have to edit 2 0. Jadi kalau kita mau mengubah sentimeter ke meter, silakan dihapus 2 nolnya. Kalau kita mau mengubah meter ke sentimeter, silakan ditambah 2 nolnya. That's it. Nah, next is about suitable units. For this part, you can see that we already know about centimeters and meters, yeah. Now, here let's discover. Look at the object. I have dictionary, kamus. I have how to say this one, lapangan. I have a field, and then I have a plant here. Nah, What would the most suitable units of measure for each object? For example, actually for the small object is like you can holding the objek, kalau kalian bisa menyentuh atau memegang objek itu, kinda like a book, a dictionary, a phone, a pen, or the others, atau tanaman, atau benda-benda yang ukurannya tidak terlalu besar, you may using a centimeter units. Centimeter units. So centimeter units from the small thing, yeah. If the thing is too big, it's like how to measure your rooms, kayak kamarnya, atau like this example, like the car, like the motorcycle, like a field, lapangan. Nah, kalian you can using meters. So remember meters. I will read it. Wait a minute. Okay, so I will write it here. Meter is used to big thing like a car, a field, or room, and the others. Yeah. Oh, sorry, yeah. Wait a minute. And the others. But centimeter, it is meter, yeah. But centimeter, or we know cm, is used to small thing like book, and then what else, pen, and then the others lah pokoknya, F and the others. You can using, so remember, you can using meter. Oh. You can using meter is used to big thing, and you can using centimeter to a small thing. Now let's practice. So your task today is about let's practice page 75. The first number, the number one is you have to changing meter to centimeter, and then number two is you have to changing centimeter to meter. Remember, meter to centimeter you have to edit 20. Kalian harus menambahkan 20. Meters from centimeter to meters you have to delete it. You have to remove. Kalian harus hapus 2 nolnya. Okay, I think it is easy ya. For number 3, you have to choosing the suitable units. Kalian harus memilih suitable units. Units yang tepat, apakah meter or centimeter. Jadi untuk mengukur door and textbook. Nah, how do you think? You have to using meter or centimeter? Okay, I think that's all, students, about our topic today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.